Let's get this started. We got Mega Evolution in. Yeah, y'all see the Lucario on the front. Let's get right to it. Let's get right to it. We got Lucario on the pack too. Oh yeah, it's lucky today. Yeah. Look at that. It's like a golden ticket almost. Check it out. Alright, we about to open this up though. We got the Pikachu. Got the Pikachu card. Y'all need the code. All right, boom, right there. Go ahead. First one, get it. Four picks, first card. Tinker Tough. Got a light punch. That motherfucker using a weapon. Look at that. That is not a punch. To be honest with y'all, that's like a whole. You ever see them slap contests? Like, this the motherfucker that can't slap nobody, but he got to use a tool. We got C dot, not Honcho. C dot Nap with the seed bomb in his satchel. Tyrode. Never seen him before for real. He looks cool. I'm not gonna lie. He looks like he hang out in the Bronx. Flip a coin, you get sales. Let's take that's 31 freeze here. Oh, that's dope. My boy could do some damage. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not even about to try to pronounce that name. Y'all got it. Oh, we getting sneak peeks. It's a mega signal. It's a nice card. I feel like it could be played. Shedinja? I think that's his name. Looks pretty cool. Drizzle. My nizzle. Look at that. One of the first reverse hollows. This is the second reverse hollow right here. Ninjask. I'm talking about. You say you want something? Ninjask. Alright, we got the first hollow right here, Xerneas. Looking clean, ain't gonna lie. Not what we wanted, but hey, we take what we can get. Then we got a knuckle. That's it for today's pack opening. I'm gonna get with y'all tomorrow, the next day, or the next day. Just when I open up another one, it's gonna be a banger. Hopefully we get something really good next time. It's okay. If you don't get any good cards, you can still play these. You can still add them to your collection. You can still enjoy the artwork. Just be peaceful about it. Don't get mad at it. Don't destroy your TV because you open up 1,000 packs. You still ain't get what you want. You're just unlucky. Not everybody lucky. It's okay. Good night, y'all.